Alright guys, so we're gonna get right into this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and place the unit back on. Like I said, I've been wearing this unit off and on and I'm just loving it. I still have yet to wash it or co-wash it or any of that, so this is just the hair still freshly out the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and dry detangle it using my denim brush. I'm using this brush because it's just easier. It's just, to me, it's just easier. It gets everything out and that's what we're going for. So first, you just want to make sure your hair is properly detangled. If you guys have not seen my first video on this unit where I laid it down and did my curly hair routine, that video or that link to the video will be in the description section or in the card section. Okay. So next we're going to take a sharp pair of tweezers and go ahead and get into this hairline. Now this is my first time actually working with the hairline outside of putting baby hairs in it. For the style that I was going for, I wanted it to look as natural as possible. Now this unit is bomb.com. It is bomb, but it has a lot of density. This unit is great in density. Okay, it's great in density, so I want just to thin it out just a little bit for the style that I was going for. Like I said, this was optional. You really don't have to do it, but like I said, natural hair vibes, okay? That's what we're trying to give. So a sharp pair of tweezers will help you get the job done. Alright, so I did go ahead and create a guideline for my baby hairs in my last video, so I'm just popping them out and we about to go ahead and mold our baby hairs. When I use my got2b glue spray, I always use it to do my baby hairs because it's like the only product that works to keep my baby hairs down. I noticed that when I use mousse, it just counterfeits with the spray and it just lifts up and everything just be looking sloppy and just not cute. So when you use this spray, however, it will be stuck down to your forehead. I mean, you can comb them out, but then it just looks weird. But with this spray, you would have like sculpted edges, if that makes sense. So just be aware of that. It's going to look like your baby hairs are stuck to your forehead. I mean, not really, because it don't look really hard or anything. But sis, just know they're not going anywhere all day. So I'm just going in with my tweezers and, just thinning it out more so it can look a little bit more natural. Scalp vibes, that is actually what I'm going for. So alright guys, so this is what it looks like. I did sit it under my silk scarf for about 10 minutes and this is what she's looking like. So I am going to go ahead and spray her with some heat protectant spray, and I'm doing this because I'm going to go ahead and just straighten out the roots just a little bit. Okay, I don't want it super straight because I'm putting curls back in it, but I just want it semi-straightened because I still want the volume in it. I don't want it to look flat and then at the bottom is all thick and density. So I do my first pass. I can't talk. I do my first pass, and I will have all the products that I use listed down in the description section as well. I've seen someone comment that it would be helpful if I start, providing the products and tools that I use. So I'm gonna start leaving that down there. Okay. So I'm gonna clean up the part just a little bit with some concealer. Sometimes the part can look a little flat because if you use foundation, it's gonna make it look more natural. But sometimes I just want the part to pop a little. And after I do that, I'm going in with my wax stick. And y'all, this is key to having your unit look as natural as possible. I keep saying that, okay? But let me stop. But anyway, the wax stick gives it a natural shine. It just has everything looking sleek. And also it helps with flyaways. If you guys are dealing with flyaways, please do try the wax stick because I'm telling you, it would change your life. So I did go ahead and spray the heat protectant spray all over the hair as well because I'm going in with my curling wand and flat iron, and curling wand this hair. So yeah, after I curling wand each section, I'm gonna go ahead and split it apart so it can have more volume. But this is pretty much it. I would say it's very, very easy to achieve. It's a very, very natural style. It doesn't look like it's a unit to me anyway. I can say that, but I feel like how I styled it looked very, very, very natural. So let me know what you guys think, but I'm gonna give you guys a quick update before I go on the hair. I have been wearing this unit consistently in the curly hair state. this is my first time putting heat to it, but when I washed this unit, because of course this is a whole different day when I'm doing the voiceover, when I washed it, the curls came back in, directly back in, so you don't have to worry about the unit not curling back up on you when you put heat to it, because sis, this unit is just a freaking bomb. So of course I had shedding. I'm not gonna lie, I did get shedding during the washing process and also detangling it, and also when I did my curly hair routine the other days as well, after the first video. But as far as tangling, it was non-existent. You know, I got a few snags here and there, but extremely tangling up, because you know with curly hair you can get a lot of, you know, knots and matting, but not with this unit, sis, not with this unit. So I think that pretty much covered everything. So yeah, if you guys are interested in, again, seeing the first video I created on this, don't forget to check the description section or the card section. And I think that is all. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, everything in regards to this hair, to the tools, to the products I use will be listed down in the description section below. And until next time, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.